All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and look at this. Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the house with the mini Cypher from Derek Munroe. Look at that. That is not the custom. This is a production version. We're gonna check it out and try and see if we can do something to this fella, right? Let's grab a T8 with this amazing, probably my favorite tool for taking knives apart. This is an angle tool. Look at this Shirogorov and Sienkiewicz collaboration tool with spinning back. Anyways, we can just start opening up the blade a little bit like so and start tackling the screw here on the back, which comes off nicely. Just pull it out, right, like so. Long screw through the back spacer, as you just saw coming off. All right, and here you go. Just hold the whole thing together, and gently you can just pull it apart like so, and there you go. So we're done. That's pretty straightforward. Grab something like an alcohol swab, something like this, or like a microfiber and some alcohol. It's gonna be fine. This thing had a pretty alright action. The blade is not too heavy. I want to see if we can use a little bit of nano oil and fluidify the overall action of this bad boy, which has some nice, interesting milling going on. Ceramic ball bearings in under the hood, and these guys are clean. The pivot is non-spinning, it's done. Nice skeletonization in this titanium frame lock. Stainless steel lock face insert. It has the bearing tracks covered in stainless steel washers. It's clean inside on the pivot over there. And yeah, I mean, we're pretty much done. So this guy can be in every position, but we like it in this way because of course it has to match with the nice tiny backspacer with the lines there. So let's go ahead and do the backspacer like so. This screw is gonna go through the backspacer right there, so that is all good. This fella goes there. Grab your nano oil of preference. I'm gonna go with the 10 with a couple drops right there, one over here, and let's go and clean also this guy like so. Then we're gonna just do the blade like this, and we're gonna do the second bearing like so, and another couple, 1 and 2 drops of nano oil, and then just the scale back like this with the little screw going through the scale first because it's really long, and you can use it to catch the backspacer and then just center it so that catches down there and you're done. So you can do a little bit of this, maybe not too tight, just a little bit, so you can actually do the pivot screw. Always with your T8 like so. All right, now we're gonna try and put everything together like it makes sense. All right, so we're gonna start like from this side. Looks good. So starting from this handle screw and then just tightening down like the pivot all the way until it's too tight and centered. Still snappy, but we can do definitely a little bit better. Still looks pretty centered to me. Ooh, nice, guys. Let me spread some of this. Oh, yeah. Oh la la. Guys, what do you think? I think I like it. The lock bar access is not ideal, but Very nice action. And this finish, guys. Look at that. Pretty cool. There you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.